What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the birthday series. We are on a roll here. This is day number 4 and this is the look that I created for you guys. I hope you guys like it. This is really fun. I wanted to do some color. I opened up my palette and I saw purples. I'm like, yeah, it's like some sort of like purple, smoky but still bright, fun and vibrant. That is what we went for today. I have my chingona pin on because y'all know that we are chingonas on this video, and I couldn't be any happier with taking back our words. I think there was a time before where chingona was like kind of used as a curse word and not a powerful word for women. Now in today's date, 2019, chingona means a strong woman who handles her business, who is just a very powerful, dominant female woman, and that's what it means. So that is what it means, part of our Latino culture. So if you guys like this pin and you want to purchase it for yourself, you can do so at Shop Honey Dose. I will leave the link below. And yeah, so this is our look. So if you want to see how to recreate, or I don't know why I keep saying recreate, if you want to see how to create this look, then keep watching this video. video in this look. If you decide to recreate this look, and I hope you guys do, don't forget to tag me on your Insta. My social media accounts are linked down below, so add your girl. So one thing that you guys don't know about me is that your girl did pageants. Yes, I did that. And you know, they were actually more so cultural pageants. It was just, I would say it was one big pageant, but multiple pageants leading up to the big day. And there was an awesome trip at the end where we actually went to Mexico. All of the girls in the pageant ended up going to Mexico, which was the best part of it. And I ended up gaining some amazing lifelong friends. And the memories that I shared with them, they were just amazing. And just being able to see Mexico in a different light for me, in our city and our culture, it was just phenomenal. And I feel like that's why I'm so Latino driven, cultural driven. My culture is such a big part of my life, and that is the one thing that I'm the most proud of, is that I'm a proud Latina. And it was an awesome time in my life, just thinking of all the memories that I have and the friends that are lifelong friends now. It just makes me so happy. So that is my Mel fact for you guys. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm trying not to be so rambly. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is it for today's video. I will see you guys mañana.